I'm going to talk a project that I am going to do right now. It's a cloudbuster, a chembuster, or a harmonizer. There are many names for this orgonite technology. I am living full-time in my RV, and I am a travel nurse, and I also do this because we need to make the atmosphere better for us. We need to harmonize the atmosphere when it's about EMFs and such. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to test it out. It's my first cloudbuster, and the technology is from Wilhelm Reich, and he actually was killed for this technology, so it's something to look into. So what I need for this project is a mold. You use resin, and this will be the mold, so it will maybe be up to here. So this is a plan how I'm going to do this. So if you see, I'm putting it on this bucket. So this will be in wood, and this is a hole. All this is a hole, and this one is a hole. Here I'm going to have this one, and it's a obelisk, and this will be all orgonite matters in it, and crystals and shavings of metal and resin. So if you can think yourself, you put resin all the way up here, and it is shavings of metals, and there are crystals, and then you have this one like this, and then these holes is the chembuster. Here you will have these, this is a metal steel pipe actually, and it is 45 millimeters, and this will go down in this matter like this, so there will be 6 of them in this hexagon pattern. Symbols, numbers, music, words, everything is a frequency, and so using forms, shapes will help everything, because everything is connected in this world. So you see, this one is here. I'm going to do that one, and then 6 of these ones. And if I want to, I can put one up here too, so then it will be 2 meters. This one is 1 meter now, and I think that will be enough for me living in an RV. I will sell this one, but I will first test it out really good to see that how it works actually. So this is just a plan. Here you see this wooden, that's this one. I need 2 of these. This is the bucket, 2 of these. You see, if you put this one in the bucket, this one can't stand alone. It has to have something that holds all the pipes up here. So that's what this one is for. And this is a round circle. That's because I want this obelisk to have free flow up from the middle. So this is not a pipe, it's an obelisk down here. Every pipe will in the bottom have a big crystal that is double pointed, one up and one down. So this video will come up on YouTube and maybe on Etsy. Etsy is my store. You will see the link here on the screen and in the description. So you have all the links in the description. This one I can't sell on Etsy because it will cost so much, because it will be a couple of kilos to transport, and these pipes. So this will be for some from Sweden. If you don't want to pay a lot, this actually cost a lot because the resin is really expensive, and then you have the crystals, and yeah, so this cost, but it helps with the environment, and that's the most important thing. But I do a lot of jewelry that is made to harmonize you often, so go and check that out. Follow my project. Bye now.